Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 5919 and 5918 Pickerel Point on gorgeous Honeoye Lake.
This is a fantastic Honeoye Lake compound with 60 feet of level lakefront. So let's take a tour.
This is a stunning updated cottage with an open great room featuring a living and dining area with a wall of windows and beautiful hardwood floors, leading to a country kitchen and back porch, plus 2 bedrooms, a full bathroom, and powder room. All this with 180-degree panoramic lake views. This property also features a second charming year-round cottage with a spacious great room with a living and dining area, leading to a kitchen, full bathroom, and 2 spacious bedrooms. Plus, the best part is 2 enclosed porches, one on the back to enjoy nature views, and one on the front to relax and take in those lake views.
This is waterfront at its best, with 60 feet of level lakefront. Pickerel Point is a great waterfront community on the west side of Honeoye Lake, a great place to live, known for great fishing, boating, and waterfront activities. Nearby this property is the quaint hamlet of Honeoye with summertime concerts, and is just 16 miles from Canandaigua and the rest of the Finger Lakes region. Nearby is the Hunt Hollow Ski Club and Bristol Mountain. Here we are at Bristol Mountain. What a great place to ski. Just minutes away from Honeoye Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 5919 and 5918 Pickerel Point on gorgeous Honeoye Lake.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here!